Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix charging port is not working in Samsung Galaxy A17, A37 or A57. If you're using Galaxy A17, A37 or A57, you're facing the issue that your charging port isn't working. So let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing you can try to go ahead through your settings here, and in your settings just go to battery here and go to charging settings and make sure that these both toggles are enabled. The very first is show charging information and the second is fast charging, which sometimes it might be that if your charging information is disabled, you are unable to see your charging information, or if your battery is charging, if your phone is charging, so you might not get be notified or you will not get any charging information. That also enable this fast charging. It will fastly charge your phone and your battery. Once I've done, your issue might have been fixed. If it's still not fixed your issues, you can try to check your charging port if it's cleared and if it's not damaged, because sometimes it might be if your charging port is physically damaged, you're unable to use your charger or you're unable to charge your phone, or your charger won't work in your phone. But if you're still facing the same issue, your charging port is not damaged, it's clear, clean, no dirt, no dust, but still facing the same issue. So you can try to check your charging cable. You have to make sure that your charging cable is not damaged from anywhere. Sometimes it might be that if your charging cable is damaged, your charging cable won't get any power. So you might not get the charge. Your phone will not be charged or your charger will not work. So you have to make sure that your charging cable is not damaged. You have to also make sure that your charger is not damaged. Or you can also try to use your charger with another phone to check if your charger is working or not. If your charger is working and you're still facing the same issue, so you can try to scroll in control center, click on this power icon, and then click on restart and make a restart with your phone. But before you restart, I recommend you have to go to your settings here, and in settings go to software update section and try to check for updates, because sometimes it might be if your phone have any pending software updates, you might get these type errors. So you have to make sure that you might have any pending software update here. And once you have done, your issue will be fixed and you will not get this issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.